Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Popcaan and Drake's We Can't Done single has hit Billboard, bubbling on the Hot 100 chart at number 16 in the United States and number 36 on the Canadian Hot 100 charts. The track follows previously released single Set It and Next to Me featuring Tony and Sing, and is featured on his upcoming album Great Is He, which is scheduled for release later this month. Popcaan, who is signed to Drake, has collaborated with Drake in the past on Twist and Turn and All I Need, or Popcaan's 2020 mixtape, Fixed It. Reggae sensation TVJ has announced his upcoming performance in Jamaica for the first time in 3 years. In December, TVJ revealed that the pandemic affected his ability to tour and perform, and to make it up to us, he is hosting a reggae festival in Kingston. Today, the third time the charm singer announced that he is scheduled to perform at the Lost in Time Festival on the lawns of Hope Gardens on February 25. Other artists on the lineup to perform include Layla Ike, Jesse Royal, Naomi Cohen, and Mortimer. Now to news on the international scene. Todd and Julie Chrisley were reportedly sent to prison Tuesday as the husband and wife are set to begin their sentences after being convicted last year of bank fraud and tax evasion. In December, the couple, who starred on U.S. reality TV show Chrisley Knows Best, were each told that they would have to report to separate prisons. Now, Todd Chrisley, who received a 12-year sentence, reported to federal prison camp Pensacola in Florida, a minimum security prison camp that holds 338 total inmates. And that's according to the Bureau of Prisons, while Julie Chrisley, who was given a 7-year sentence, will report to Federal Medical Center in Lexington, Kentucky. The couple and their family have starred on Chrisley Knows Best and several spin-off shows since 2014. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.